Show you the latest project here with all the snow that we got locally here in PA. Another roughly 20 some inches. So we got a complaint with this Yardman snowblower. Big Yardman snowblower, 13 horsepower, 33-inch path. This is a big one. And it has a problem with a mysterious oil leak. So, what we found, we thought it was at first the O-ring going to the dipstick tube. Happened to not be the case. Once GMEC Senior took off that cover, it exposed that, if I can get right there, my shadow. For some reason, this either, when they put it together originally or whatever, the oil pan gasket broke and caused the oil leak. So what would happen is, you start the snowblower up, run it for about 10-15 minutes, and then all of a sudden you started getting an oil leak, and you couldn't really see where it was coming from because the cover, there's a cover in here, I don't know where he put it, would cover up where the oil was going, and it would end up, as you can see, running all over the place. So, yeah, just thought I'd show this little video. This is part 1 on a oil pan gasket replacement on a Tecumseh 13 horsepower. So, little short video. Just show you. I've been busy here at our shop. Busy working as well. Trying to post some videos. Been very busy. Got another project here as well to behind me. I'm going to reveal that and just talk about all the things we did to it. And I think I'll go into detail of what it cost to like restore a truck and just have a working truck, and you might be surprised. So anyway, we'll show a video of progress of taking this thing all apart. We might have to remove the engine to get at it. We're going to see once GMEC Senior is going to work on this thing tomorrow. So this is going to be a hit and miss kind of video because I'll be at work while he does it, and he doesn't video. So, all right. So, you like the video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Getting a lot of views again on my channel. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. Would really appreciate it. Help the algorithm to keep more videos coming to you to help with any of your projects from GMEC. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.